morning. We are up and ready to head out to meet our bus and get on it to go to London, to go to London airport. It says you had to be out of your room at 8, so it's like 7:45. We're heading out in just like 2 minutes. Excuse me. If you have any chance to try the orange juice and the Regal Princess, definitely try it. It's probably the best orange juice I've had. And we've been to Florida many times, so just keep that in mind. So we literally just walked into the dining room to where we were supposed to meet like 45 minutes early. And they said the buses were ready for us. The shuttle bus was ready for us. So we walked out of the dining room, and the lady opened the line right as we were walking out of the dining room. Scanned our medallion, and now we're heading out. Once you walk down these halls, these long stairwells, you'll reach the baggage, and then you'll go outside, exit to your bus. Pretty simple. We just went out those doors, and then we're getting on our bus, and that was it. So I haven't had our coach ready yet. So we boarded our coach, and now we're going to head to Terminal 5 at the airport. We're just waiting for the last few people to finish boarding. And now we're heading out, about 10 minutes late, but we're heading out, so that's all that matters. It's a beautiful port. I don't remember any of this when we left the last time. I remember going out the terminal. I don't remember this. About an hour and a half later, and we're already here. Into our hotel, and we've come across to the McDonald's. They have chicken wraps, like the wraps that everybody wants. So they got the big tasty. They also have chicken wraps here, which is,
they just have the wraps at McDonald's.
well, they're chicken wraps. They're wraps at McDonald's. Their barbecue looks different. So from Premier Inn Airport Terminal 5 to Abbey Road, it was 37 euros. So not bad. For Uber, I mean. So here's Abbey Road. Of course is Abbey Road Studios, and over there is a shop. Yeah. Here are the times for the Abbey Road Studio shop where you can purchase souvenirs and stuff. Are we going into? I guess. Here are some facts about the studios. We're here at Buckingham Palace. It costs 14 euros to go from Abbey Road to Buckingham Palace. Guy's walking. Oh, never mind. He's just walking back and forth. Oh well. I was still very excited. Zachary and I have been here, how many years ago? 5?
4, yeah.
Oh, no, now they're doing something. They're walking towards each other. Anyway, so we've been here like 4 or 5 years ago, and our parents have not, but it's very exciting. The flag is up. So that must mean somebody, not necessarily King Charles, but somebody is in. Could be William, could be Kate, could be anybody. So here is the Queen Victoria Monument. It's actually quite massive. I don't know how well it's showing up on the camera, but it's huge. So this is our second time here and second monarch while we were here. Well, for Zachary and I. The walkway. So there's the London Eye, and there's a little teeny tiny tip of Big Ben. It's probably a good 15-minute walk. I don't know how well you can see on the video, but there's swans over there swimming. Oh, there's more back there too. This big line, it says Churchill War Room. Right there. The architecture in London is so pretty. It's just beautiful. Last time we were in England, the Big Ben was getting renovated, but it's fine. If you listen closely, it's ringing. We heard it ring.
Yeah. Jesus has to bear them for you. Why? Because God the Son can bear a God-sized wrath.
See Parliament Street. That's Westminster. That's where the Parliament meets. It really is quite massive. And there's the London Eye. And eventually, once we get up here, we'll see Westminster on Bridge Street. So we come to the entrance of the Marriott and just keep going straight. Find this big crown.